Hey guys, welcome to Power Weight Training. My name is Paul and I am a huge social media star. As you can tell, I am huge on Instagram, I am huge on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, name it, I'm there. But no, seriously, what I do here, I film workouts right here in my basement on the mat you see right behind me. I have over 80 videos of instructions, training, HIIT workouts, list workouts, running workouts, pretty much anything that you can do at home that requires zero to minimum equipment, I should say. Maybe a dumbbell, maybe some bands. So if you like to see content like this, if you like to get healthy with me and get very simple training and nutritional advice, do subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys every Monday and Thursday. Have fun, and I'll see you on the mat behind me.